What's up, my crypto legends? What's up, my crypto legends? I'm a little bit late because I've been having some problems with my internet connection. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if you can hear me, if the music's all right. Make sure to say hi. Dippage, the market is dipping. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm losing all my money. Guys, calm down. Is this the beginning of the bear market? Guys, let me know. Nice. Hello, guys. Bartos, Bart, Porsche, Mario, Kivans. Hi, I can hear you. Hey guys, how are you doing? Is BTC reaching 35,000? 35,000. Well, we're almost. It looks like it's having a little bit of a dip now. We have been struggling here to get above the $42,500, which is a major support, guys. Hello, Christine, Siarif, Porsche, what to do? Hey mate, Jason, how are you doing? Travel show, massive slide. Should we short it? Well, the actual short is happening right now. This is a typical like dead cat bounce, okay? If you watched my last video, you know, I was talking about, well, yesterday's video, we saw this like an ascending triangle, but I was saying to you, be very cautious because we're coming from a huge drop, okay? And this is, you know, the buying pressure rounding off, dead cat bounce, you know, and then, you know, it looks like the Bitcoin price might be falling lower. But this might be a trick also, guys. Be careful because we do have some massive buying pressure here on the 1 hourly chart right over here. If I just get this rectangle box right over there, okay, and show you with the narrow. Okay, let me just change the color of this. And guys, we can see that there is a lot of buying pressure from this this move right over here. Okay. So I put this green box right on top of here because this might be a trick. We might kind of do a double bottom scenario here, but we might bounce from this area. Guys, how are you doing? Jason, Travel Show, massive slide, Miguelito, Vet TA. Yes, let's take a look at Vet now. Miguelito. It is not a beginning bear market. It is fucking bear market. Yes, probably, guys. We probably have entered a bear market. You know, it's one of the major signals is when everybody's talking about crypto. You know, this is what's been happening for the last couple of weeks. Everybody's talking about crypto. Everybody's talking about Dogecoin. We got this Shiba coin. And then that's a very clear signal that, guys, all the gains have been done. All the gains have been done when everybody's talking about crypto. Let's all get rich with crypto. No, usually people would lose money with crypto. So, guys, it is very complicated to know, but I am going to look at this chart in the next coming weeks and months, which is the DXY. You know, if you're an old subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. This is one of my favorite charts, the dollar index, which is now gaining a little bit of value, but I do think in the long run, in the next coming months, it is going to be losing a lot of value here. You know, I've got this diamond reversal pattern here, and then we've got the fundamentals, which is the huge amount of money printing, historical huge amount of money printing. We are hitting major support here for the dollar index. So if we break down, you know, and also we've broken out from this diamond reversal pattern. So the target is all the way down here. The dollar should be losing a huge amount of value in the next coming months. So, and we know if the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up, such as gold. If the dollar gains value, if the dollar was meant to do this and gain value, Bitcoin's going to have a massive bear market. But I don't see this being the case. let's just stay strong, guys, and just hold it. You know, who knows when we're going to break $65,000, which was the high for Bitcoin. You know, it might be in 2024, 2025 in the next bull cycle. Who knows? Who knows? I'm relaxing. Christine, I hear you very well. I hear that you very well. Relaxing. Nice, guys. Not a little bit, mate. Worry why. Métele billetes que suba esto, bro. Worry why. Gabby. Let's look for longs. Yes, guys. Also, we'll be taking a look, doing some TA. We might even do a live trade here, guys. I'm going to look at Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. So we'll be doing a little bit of TA now on them. Let me go through the comments, guys. Let's look for on. Seems like going back up. I wouldn't trade. Yeah, it's very difficult to trade, guys. That's why on my last videos, you know, I've been doing some simple TA and just saying to you guys, look, this is very dangerous to trade because it's very volatile and we need to see what is going to be the next move in the next coming days. Then we can look for some trading patterns because a lot of uncertainty in the market right now, very hard to trade with. It is, you can make loads of money now with the volatility, but it's just very, very hard. Dumping Bitcoin now. Victor, king of crypto, just sold all my crypto for AMC. Well, when is a great buying opportunity? I think buying Bitcoin is great always to buy if you dollar cost average. You know, it's the same story as always. All depending if you are a trader or if you are a hodler or an investor. Buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin will surpass $100,000. We just don't know when. You just have to be patient. You're right, when everybody comes greedy, it is bad for us. Absolutely, guys. I've been, you know, friends of my mum. I've had loads of friends on my social media account, you know, asking me about crypto. Should I buy Shiba coin? You know, when you got, you know, people that you haven't seen for years asking you where's the best place to buy Shiba coin, then guys, yeah, all the gains are done, guys. All the gains. Look at the huge rally we've had for the last few months. But who knows, guys? We might have the 2013 scenario. We might see, you know, this is what we were talking also in my last stream. Guys, it's 63 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto, guys. We might have the scenario from 2013. It is very difficult because in 2013, you know, there was very little liquidity in the market and it was very easy to move the Bitcoin market. You know, I see a lot of analysts also, you know, a lot of them saying we are in a bear market, and a lot of them are saying we are doing the 2013 scenario right over here where we had this massive pump for a couple of months. And then we, you know, this was an 80% correction. And you can't say it's the same because now there's a huge amount of liquidity. You know, there are strong investors. They can manipulate the market just like they've been doing. But there was an 80% correction in 2013. So there's a 60% correction now. Who knows, guys? Who knows? Will we be doing this scenario and going sideways for a couple of months and entering a reaccumulation phase, ready for a pop to the upside? You know, we're not in mass adoption, but, you know, people are tired from the current system. And, you know, who knows? This hasn't been such a bad correction if you look at the Bitcoin chart like this. Look at the logarithmic chart here for Bitcoin. You know, it is quite a severe dip, but, you know, this might be, you know, sideways action for the next couple of weeks and months for the next leg up, guys. Who knows? Why not? Why not? There is going to be billionaires, investors coming in. They are coming in now. They want to get cheaper Bitcoin, so that's why they're probably manipulating a small bear market. Maybe, you know, it's maybe not going to be a 3-year bear market, just like here or just like here. You just want to do sideways, dip the price a little bit more, and then, you know, serious institution money is going to come in. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. But it was getting, you know, it was overheated. The market was overheated for sure. We went up too fast. SEC spreading FUD again. BTC dropping 3.5k. Yes, I mean, it is the same China FUD as well. It's the same story on and on again. China banning crypto. That is fine. You cannot ban Bitcoin, which is decentralized, guys. We know that. Just sold all my crypto. Yes, sir. Victor Siarif, you are right when everybody comes greedy. Henk, SEC spreading FUD again. BTC dropping to 3.5k. Don't think we will go that low, but we could go to about $20,000. We might have another retest here at the at this peak here of the 2017. We could. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go sideways and a little bit lower. You know, we might go below the $30,000. Not for long, and then start coming up again, guys. I do think that there is big money still to come into Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, guys, make sure to smash up the like button, guys. 73 viewers now, 21 likes. Guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to take advantage of this insane bonus, okay? You'll be helping out the channel also. Up to $2,000, $2,200 by using my link in the description. All the info is here, guys. So, all depending on what you're going to deposit, you'll be getting a great bonus on Femex. Wow, we're having a massive dump right now. Massive dump. This is the typical scenario of a dead cat bounce. Boom, you know, buying pressure is not coming in. Massive drop to the downside. Things can get a little bit messy, guys, for the next couple of weeks. You were right, Victor. I'm not sure when I was right about. Maybe on my last video. I did a video this morning, guys, saying, you know, if we... You know, we were already making, you know, lower highs here. And I was saying, be careful, guys. This looks like a dead cat bounce scenario. So, boom, boom. And we are losing steam here. The bulls are losing steam. And then the gravity takes you back down again. Let's hope. Okay, now I've got this orange box. If this doesn't hold, you know, the next level is the $30,000. We are probably going to look for a double bottom scenario, guys. If we break the $30,000, I did this video today about the VPVR, okay, the volume profile. It shows you where most of the money has been traded, accumulated, you know. Obviously to the upside, it is buying accumulation, so it is buying pressure. If I just zoom out here on the daily chart, okay, just so we can see the VPVR here clearly. And as you can see, this mountain over here, right over there, is all of this accumulation phase, okay? So a lot of trading volume around over here, and obviously it is an accumulation phase in this dip. Okay, so a lot of people buying around the $30,000 area, 30, 32. And, you know, as long as all this accumulation phase doesn't sell, well, other people might sell, this is true, but this should hold nicely. This $30,000, just where we had the bounce. So we might, you know, who knows, we might do a double bottom scenario. I wish, and then this will hold nicely and we'll continue to the upside. If we drop below the $30,000, guys, not too much volume traded here, not too much accumulation, so we could actually, you know, the next drop down, we could drop very, very fast, as you can see, below the 30,000 all the way down to the 24,000. We've got this hole here, no volume at all. It's just, you know, we could have a massive dip here to the 23,000. So guys, if this level doesn't hold, if the $30,000 doesn't let hold, you know, expect a severe drop, okay, to $24,000. That's going to be scary. Everybody's going to start freaking out there. Please advise on TRX. Thank you. TRX, which is that? TRX, is that Tron? Okay. Well, let's take a look at the chart. We'll take a look at VET now. I've got someone asking for VET. BTC is dropping. Yes, Eggman. How about volume now? Yeah, I think there is some volume in this drop. Yeah, exactly. There is a little bit of volume, guys. Yeah, there is some volume in this drop. Let me just get the VPVR out of the way. As you can see, we are getting a little bit of a bounce now. But I mean, I think there will be selling pressure right now. There is a lot of fear in the market. As you can see, this green candle right over there, okay, and this huge amount of volume, there is some buying pressure. This is just where we had the bounce. So we might bounce from here, guys. We might bounce. But usually the most likely scenario, okay, from this get dead cat bounce round, and then we'll be coming back down and retesting, you know, potentially doing a double bottom. A lot of uncertainty in the market, guys. Everybody's thinking now that we are in a bear market, but you know, most of the times people are wrong. So might be one of the best buying opportunities before we go to 100k. Let me know, what do you think? Are we going to 100,000 before the end of the year? Is this one of the best buying opportunities maybe from the year also? Because we already broke all-time highs by January. We climbed all the way up to 42,000 very, very fast at the beginning of the year. Maybe it is the best opportunity of the year to buy, scoop up some more Bitcoin. How about volume now? Christine, I did set my stop loss and my take profit. Relax and enjoy the weekend with love. Absolutely, Christine. You too. Enjoy the weekend, guys. Stay calm. Hold your Bitcoin. We will be back in no time, or up $65,000. If we need to wait months or a couple of years, guys, it will just have to be done. And make sure to take profits on your way up, guys, because when the market drops, it drops fast and you do not have time to send your crypto to exchanges. And everybody, a lot of people would have sold at about these levels, 30, 35,000, 33,000, scared. You know, a lot of people seeing, you know, the price coming down, severe drop. Then in this moment, this is when the exchanges get saturated. A lot of people wanting to sell, a lot of people wanting to buy. You need to sell your crypto on your way up. But I didn't sell. I wish I would have sold more into USDT. I sold something like 15% of my entire portfolio when we were about these areas in between the $55,000, $60,000, because I was looking at the Wyckoff distribution schematic and I was thinking, if this plays out, it is going to get messy. And it has actually played out, guys. It has actually played out. Let me just show you here on the trading patterns that I got here, Wyckoff. Yeah, I mean, this right over here, a lot of analysts and YouTubers have been talking about this Wyckoff distribution, okay? And I did sell a part of my portfolio, you know, 10-15% of my portfolio when we were at the LPSI stage, okay, when we were getting the bounce to the upside. And I'm thinking, right, if we do not break the $58,000 and close a daily candle on top, you know, it's going to get a little bit messy. So I sold 15% of my Bitcoin, got some USDT. I wish I would have sold half and then I could buy cheaper, right, guys? But nobody knows if this is going to play out. A lot of eyes on this scenario. And it has played beautifully, guys. Sometimes technical analysis, the sentiment of the market, the manipulation, just sometimes it works out, guys. It is incredible. Right, guys, we're going to take a look at VET and TRX. Okay, in a moment. Let me just go quickly through the comment section. Mary, how are you? Hola, la leyenda de las criptomonedas. How are you, Mary? Nice to see you. Hi, guys. Did you speak about Ethereum yet? No, I will get Ethereum out also. 6 weeks of coming market. Bear market, 6 weeks, maybe. Let's hope this is just going to be an accumulation phase. China smash, China, the same foot as always. Exactly. Play the game. Life is a game, so play it. Exactly, Christine. Next 4 hours, candle, big pump coming 45k. Well, let's take a look. let's take a look. Let's take a look. Yeah, guys, we might get a nice bounce actually from this area. Okay, we might be doing a kind of double bottom scenario, because like I showed you here on the 1 hourly chart, we got this huge wick. Okay, a lot of rejection, a nice bounce here. The candle ends right about this area where I put the orange box. A lot of people also don't want the Bitcoin price to come below the $30,000, so they're buying a huge bounce. I bet there was a huge amount of buying orders here on exchanges, okay, and that's why we've had this massive bounce, automatic massive bounce. This is not people that go in exchanges and buy. This is automatic bounce on you know, bots trading orders, limit orders, $30,000 area. Guys, let's take a look. Let me just go read through the comment section. I will be taking a look at Vechain and TRX Tron. Portugal, Sergio, welcome from Portugal. Just sold my crypto for AMC. AMC is the last hope. Crypto will continue to flush. I was waiting for this. Yes. I mean, it was like what I was saying before, when a lot of people start talking about Dogecoin, you know, Shiba coin, and you got your grandmother talking about Bitcoin, then yeah, guys, time to take some profits. I wish I would have took more profits to buy around about these levels. My portfolio is down also, guys, more than 30%. Just have to hold it, guys, especially Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins might even disappear. But I think I got Chainlink. 20% of my portfolio is Chainlink. So I do think that Chainlink will do well. It might not, guys. This is, you know, it is still a bet. A lot of crypto projects are still a bet. Cardano is a bet. Cardano is not working. They haven't got anything working. No smart contracts or anything. It's coming out in July. Might be coming in the middle of the bear market. Not the middle, at the beginning. But yeah, still very risky, everything. I already closed a short. Bartos, yes, good. If you took a short here on this, you wouldn't say a shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, but we took out the 15-minute chart. This was a clear, you know, bulls are losing steam here. You know, this was mentioned on my video this morning, that you know, I think I did my video when we were about here, more or less. And I'm thinking, guys, you know, if we come below this low or we do not pass this high, this looks like it is just losing steam. We're going to go to the downside. Not bad to take some profits right here. We could drop below, but you know, I've a lot of volume here. These candles, the top of the candles is here around about the $36,000, $37,000 area. This is going to be major support right now, as you can see. ABC move to 22k possible. ABC move, is this on the 4 hourly, on the daily charts, Emre? ABCD move to 22k possible, maybe, guys. If we drop below the $30,000, which is major support, I think a severe drop to $24,000 is where we have the volume profile, most volume accumulated around the $24,000 area. So yeah, it is possible, definitely. Guys, 221 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys. Come on, you need to help me out here, guys. Smash up the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel, because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The more we have now time to consolidate, the bigger will be the pump to the upside. Absolutely correct, Emre. You know, the more time we stay sideways action is an accumulation, not this sideways action, as we can see here on the daily chart, for example. Not this sideways action. When we have a huge, massive rally like this going parabolic, it was on the radar, guys. It was on the radar. The Wyckoff distribution schematic. This is professional players selling their Bitcoin in a huge profit. All of these people that have been buying around over here, these professional investors, okay? This is not a 2017. I've been saying this before also. in the live stream and other episode, you know, we haven't had a blow off top. We haven't had an euphoria blow off top. Guys, we've got professionals in the game now. You know, this 2017 blow off top was, you know, 95% retail investors. You know, no liquidity, you know, people putting in a couple of million, you know, 10,000 over there, 100,000, 50,000, you know, 5,000. It was easy to pump up the market, and it was just everybody retail, you know, thinking, wow, let's get rich with Bitcoin. And suddenly, obviously, all of these people that bought around of this area, if you do a 5x or a 4x or a 3x, you think, I'm going to get my money out. I've already doubled, tripled. And you have a blow off top with the, you know, retail investors. This could be a professional top. Wyckoff distribution. It is a textbook distribution phase. So right over here, let's go to this chart. So yeah, guys, we do not need a blow off top for a top in the market. This is Sparta. Yes, Jackson. I remember you started discussing Wyckoff, but then stopped short of it. Yes, I mean, I didn't want to believe it. I did mention this in the channel before. Let's see if we can find the video. This was mentioned very, you know, a long time ago. A long time ago. Let's check out, see if there has, yeah, exactly this. Right over here, this. Where I played the scary music into the video. This is where we were there when I did this video. We were here. So this was about yeah, whereabouts was that? The pump, this pump over here. We were just at the $57,000, which was, if this is the top, this is very near the top, you know. The top was 64,300 approximately, and I did the video at $57,000, you know. This was obviously mentioned. I've seen other analysts and YouTubers talking about it just before here, around about this area. And I think this is something we need to talk about, definitely. So, and I was just comparing this chart with scary music. And, you know, look how I was showing you with the arrow going down to 30,000 on the intro of this video. And we actually came all the way down to 30,000, right? Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Hold on tight. We'll be back up 65,000 in no time. In no time could be a few years, but we will be back up there, guys. Just hold on tight. Don't invest money that you need tomorrow. Mo Briggs, music sold my alts, Andy. Very good. I mean, alts for Bitcoin is always good. I know that Bitcoin is having a huge rebound on the dominance also. BTC dominance. Yeah, we've had a massive bounce here on the dominance, as you can see. So we went from 39% all the way to 43%, 45%. And this is how, you know, big money plays. A lot of them speculate into altcoins and then put it back into Bitcoin. I do believe that the Bitcoin dominance will be going down to even 20% in the next coming months. And, you know, there's be so much money distributed into cryptocurrency that even though Bitcoin with 20% dominance is still going to be, you know, at the very top. Obviously, Ethereum might have 15% dominance, very close to
Bitcoin.
But yeah, guys, huge bounce here. This doesn't mean that the altcoin season is ended, okay? Because there will be people, lots of people just taking profits right now, guys. A lot of them taking profits. Remember, I have been investing in crypto since mid 2018, 2019 and 2020, just accumulating in the bear market. I did take profits at about 56, 57,000, but not enough, okay? I did take my initial investment. I've taken some profits. But yes, I could have sold 50% of my Bitcoin or any of my other altcoins. You know, I haven't sold a single Chainlink, and Chainlink went to $51 and it's currently at about $28 today. So I'm almost 50% down on my Chainlink holdings. which is, yeah, guys, why couldn't I have sold half of my chain link and get double the amount now for what I sold? It's just very unpredictable, guys. If you're just an investor, hold it, guys. Just hold these dips in the bear market and scoop up some more if you've got some money on the sidelines. Next time we break all-time highs, what you can do is take some profits, and that's it, guys. You need to have a strong strategy. Just sold my crypto. Let me go through the comment section. We'll be taking a look at VET, guys. NTRX, I haven't forgotten. Do you guys think that VET can reach 50 cents this cycle, Jen? Well, I do have some VET also in my portfolio, and yes, I think even we can reach $1. And this cycle, I don't know, guys. Who knows? Everybody thinks this cycle might have ended. Maybe yes, maybe not. Guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the bonus, guys. There's an amazing bonus. Be careful also for experienced traders. Don't use too much leverage. But if you use this bonus, guys, you'll be also helping out the channel. I'll be getting a small percentage on the commission, and also you are getting a fantastic bonus by using my link in the description. Okay, or depending on what you're going to deposit, you can make a huge amount of money leveraging trading, guys. But I personally don't use more than 10x leverage. I have used 20x leverage, 25x leverage, and it's been a total mess, guys. I play with in between 5 and 10x leverage. Okay, sometimes 3x leverage if it's going to be a swing trade. And I've made a decent amount of money like this, guys. If you use too much leverage, the market will just absolutely exterminate you. You'll get liquidated. But it's a great way to gain some money, guys. I've got tutorials also down in the description of Bybit, also on PrimeXbt. PrimeXbt has got an amazing bonus of 50% of what you're going to deposit. If you want to learn how to use the PrimeXbt tutorial, the platform, sorry, there's a tutorial down in the description. Okay, guys, on the tutorial section. And just by using a little bit of leverage, guys, you can double, triple your money easy, guys, easily. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, I do technical analysis. I sometimes give you some trading signals. You know, I try to get 70% of the times right. I will say in my videos, guys, this trading pattern has played out nicely, and the patterns that haven't played out nicely, I will also say in the channel, guys. This has hit the stop loss, and yeah, guys, we get losing trades, but we also get very good winning trades. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, guys. Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. Why is it falling now? Well, guys, Chico, the price is falling now because this is just a reaction. This is just a reaction from this huge drop. Okay, let me just go here to the 4-hourly chart, for example, or even the 4-hourly chart is just nice. This is just, you know, I wouldn't say a bear flag, but it's just like a dead cat bounce, okay? You know, the price has a massive drop, and then, you know, we see if the bulls have steam, and, you know, we just create a round bottom, and then we just have the second drop, guys. This is what usually happens always. We have a dead cat bounce. The bulls were losing steam here, okay? You can see these highs are going lower, and then you just have a drop. We might have a little correction now, and then just have the last drop, unless we have a bounce from here. This is what usually happens, guys. So it's just the effect of a massive crash. We have the correction, and then the drop back down again. Where do you think the bottom is? Well, nobody knows where the top is or where the bottom is. I do want to believe, like I said in my video this morning, that the $30,000 is going to hold really nicely, okay? Lot of accumulation at the $30,000, lot of trading volume at $30,000. I don't think I think if there is strong hands in crypto, in Bitcoin, the people that are true hodlers are going to hold the $30,000 range. If we break $30,000, it could get really messy. We could have a severe drop to $24,000. And that, I think, guys, would have to be the bottom, because if we go to the daily chart, for example, and from the top, you know, let's go from the top all the way to $24,000 from the top. Let's see the percentage of the drop, how it would be. Well, it would still be a 64% correction. It wouldn't be that bad. Usually Bitcoin in a bear market, you know, comparing 2014 and 2017 bear market, I think is about 85% correction, while other alts go down 95% correction, most of them, or 90% correction. If Bitcoin went to drop 85% correction, this would take us to the $9,700 range, which I don't think will never happen. I don't think we will even go below the $20,000, just because Bitcoin every time breaks the all-time high of the bull cycles. You know, it never goes below those levels. It doesn't ever go below the all-time high from the last cycle. So I think the maximum that we could go down would be the $19,000, $20,000 area. Okay, I don't see Bitcoin going that low. And if it does, guys, it is one of the best opportunities. Bitcoin will go up above $100,000. If we go down to $20,000, scoop up some Bitcoin, because you'll be 5xing your money. And you know, who knows, in a year, 2 years, several months. I don't think we'll be going down the $20,000 for sure. The most important, Christine, the most important is your amount of BTC, not your US dollar. Yes, exactly. Accumulate Bitcoin, and guys, remember to take profits. It is absolutely crucial to take profits. I know, you know, when you see this market, it is difficult to get profits when you see these movements. You know, every single month your Bitcoin just gaining value. You're thinking, wow, let's ride this to the moon, guys. But no, guys, there's going to be a lot of people taking profits, and they will dump the market, especially the professional investors now. Do you think they are dumping BTC to 25K? Potentially, Ashraf, potentially. You got to think that a lot of people might think that this is just a correction, this is the bottom, and there are a huge amount of leverage long trades right over here, guys. A huge, you cannot imagine how many people are long trading this with a huge amount of leverage, with their stop losses all the way down here, just at behind the bottom. So I wouldn't be surprised of the price of Bitcoin getting the last leg, you know, for the market to get healthy, getting all these liquidations out of the way to continue to the upside. Who knows, guys? But this is a classic. This is a classic move. You know, massive drop, huge amount of volume. You know, a lot of people thinking it is time to long, it is time to buy. This is the bottom. Huge amount of volume indicates a bottom also with this huge wick. And then what does the price do? This, boom, and then continues to the upside. Everybody that was longing over here got exterminated. So this is a scenario that could happen. That's why, you know, I wanted to long Bitcoin Cash and a couple of other cryptos around this area. But I was thinking to myself, just wait for the dead cat bounce, you know, wait, because the price, the gravity will take the price back down. So I'm just a bit on standby now. I would like to play some swing trades, but I'm a little bit on standby. I want to see a little bit more price action. Where was manipulating and making millions? Yes, exactly. This is the same story. And Bitcoin is actually very highly manipulated. It can be manipulated easily. You know, 1 trillion is nothing for institutions and billionaire investors. They can play the market very easily. You know, we saw the pump of Elon Musk here. Obviously, there was some buyers following him, but just when he posted the tweet that Tesla was buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, this was at about $38,000, and the price of Bitcoin pumped in one day, actually in hours, all the way to 47,000. That's an over 8,000 pump, just with $1.5 billion in the market. Okay, so just imagine, you know, $5 billion, which can be, you know, one institution or 2 billionaire institutions, and they can move the market with 5 billion. They can pump the price of Bitcoin $10,000 or dump it 10,000, you know, just by buying little by little, like they've been doing. This is how they play the market, guys. They buy little by little. They buy 10 million here, another 10 million over there, 50 million here, another 50 million here. They sell a little bit, then, you know, they move the market a little bit, and then they distribute those millions around this area, and finally they do the massive drop. Absolutely this is a professional top, guys. The Wyckoff distributions schematic. Maybe 25k. Crypto dead? Yes, crypto dead. No, guys, crypto is the future, especially decentralized crypto. Decentralized exchanges is the future, guys. Aren't you? How many people tried to get onto Binance before yesterday when the crash happened? Into Binance, into Kraken, into Coinbase. How many of them were down, guys? All of them. They were all down for 10 minutes, 50 minutes, an hour. I've heard so many people thinking, I can't go into Binance, I can't go into Kraken, I can't do place an order. Guys, and the decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap, they were working fine. Obviously, the fees were high because the Ethereum network was a little bit saturated. But decentralized exchanges, once the scalability is going to, there's going to be solutions for scalability. Decentralized exchanges is the future, and it's going to be in the next couple of years. So this might not be the top. This just might be a huge correction in the middle of the bear market. And that's it, guys. Let's think like this for the moment, because it will come back up to 65k, maybe not in several months, maybe in a few years. Guys, 285 viewers, make sure to smash up the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. We do trading opportunities. I'll show you my trades also on my videos. Come on, it's not the end. Don't depress. Yes, guys, it's not the end. It's never the end for crypto. There could be a crypto winter, which is the bear market. But guys, where do you see a bear market here? Let's go to the... Guys, where do you see a bear market? Let's go to the weekly chart. Logarithmic. Where is there a bear market here? Can you guys see a bear market here? And this is in 11 years. Not even that, 10 years. From 2011. 10 years, guys. Look at this. What you want to do is start buying, The more we drop, the more you need to buy. Period, guys. If we follow this this trend, easily $100,000, easily, guys, easily achievable. We could be at $200,000, before 2025, easy. Everybody's talking about this cycle. Yes, it might be a little bit difficult. Who knows, guys? Who knows? I do think that we might be correcting here for a little bit, and then we'll have the next leg up, guys. Then we'll have the next leg up. It just makes sense. I can't see a bear market starting here. Because what would be the next leg up if we've only gone, we've just gone a little bit higher than this top over here. What will be the next top? $100,000. It just doesn't make no sense. Are we exhausting here? Looks like that we want to turn over and, no, guys. We might be going sideways for a few weeks. A little bit more correction and then making the blow off top. Who knows, guys? I do not believe this is... It wouldn't make sense just going sideways here and entering a bear market. It just doesn't match the chart. It doesn't match the chart. It doesn't match the logarithmic chart. Especially now where mass adoption is just starting, okay? It is just starting. I think not even 5% of the world is using Bitcoin and crypto, but we are getting there. Once we hit 10%, and 10% is the magic percent for mass adoption. It's where, it's like when you see the S-curve of adoption, like for the electricity, the automobile, when it reaches 10%, it goes from 10% to 90% in just a few years. It's going to be super fast. Once 10% of the worldwide population uses crypto, it will go from 10% to 90% in 3-4 years. That's why 1 million Bitcoin per Bitcoin before 2030 is very achievable, guys. Very much so. 2030 is here. I would say 2026, maybe 2027. The $1 million is here. $100,000, $200,000 is here. So we'd have a leg up there. Maybe a leg up, then another correction, bear market, sideways action, and then coming, straight back up here. This is what I think was going to happen. A bear market here doesn't make any sense in the chart. It just doesn't look right. All right, guys, come on, it's not the end. Don't depress. Any interesting short ideas? Well, for short trades now, let's... I think if we break this level, we could have a severe drop to the $32,000 area potentially. Let me go to the 1 hourly chart, and then let me go to 15-minute chart. Yeah, we got this severe resistance right over here, which is also this green candle. Okay. We've got this green candle here with a huge amount of volume, a lot of volume. There's quite a decent amount of buying pressure. It is going to be hard to short this from here. It is going to be hard. If we break these levels, I wouldn't short it, guys. I wouldn't short it, because this is the effect that they want you to see. Okay, they want to make you think that the Bitcoin price is going to have this dead cat bounce scenario, and the target would be coming to retest the low here. But this is also can be a trick, guys. There is a buying pressure here. There might be a lot of buying orders, a lot of people buying crypto around this area, so they might trick you, and this might do this. Okay, very risky, guys. I've told you that I'm not trading just after this huge drop. I want to see some nice sideways action, some clear breakouts, direction. It is a lot of uncertainty. I want to think that this might be the bottom. Want to see some different patterns, guys. No trading for me at the moment, unless I see something quite clear. What's up with all the crashing lately? It's just the effect. It is the collateral effect of this huge drop, guys. It's the dead cat bounce. It is the collateral effect from everybody's scared, everybody thinking that's it, we're bottomed out, and then you suddenly see this huge round top, and they're thinking, okay, this might not be the bottom, and we are going lower, and people just start. This is sentiment, guys. Looking at the chart is emotion. This is pure emotion right over here. This is just emotion. People getting this is actually the intelligent investors dumping the market, and then people thinking this is the bottom. Yes, we're going to have a nice recovery right now, and then we suddenly lose steam, and then people freak out, want to sell their crypto, and then this probably might do with this kind of double bottom scenario with this higher low right over here. Very, very hard now to predict, guys. I'm not doing any trading. Very volatile, a lot of uncertainty, too much emotion into the market now. Why dip? Well, just like I said, the dip is just because of the dead cat bounce. It's the effect of this huge drop. Right, guys, let's take a look at Vechain, because I've got somebody in the comment section asking for Vechain. Let's take a look at VET USD. Guys, the market has been looking very, very bullish. Okay, wow, VET had a massive drop all the way down to 44 cents, 4.5 cents. Insane, guys, insane, guys. A lot of people think that we haven't gone very parabolic this cycle, but it is a little bit parabolic, guys. It is. Usually bear markets start off with these massive crashes. Okay, we have the relief rally, okay, after the bounce, and then, guys, it is, I've seen it a couple of times. This is when people start losing confidence in the market, and we create a kind of huge descending triangle, and then we have just a massive winter, and then the crypto looks like it's dead. Everybody loses interest. All the people that have been coming in this last couple of months because they see the market pumping, let's make millions in crypto. No, guys, this was in 2020 when COVID came. Before COVID, huge accumulation phase. People think we are going to pump forever here. No, guys. I want to think it is different this time, but it is the same story every single time. It is different this time. This time's different. No, this time is the same as always. The pump has come. People taking profits. People are going to lose interest. It is still very early for decentralized finance. It's still very early for mass adoption in the crypto space. So it's still an entire huge speculative bubble, guys. Still, I don't want to think like this, but sometimes you need to be realistic. It's probably not the time for cryptos to shine, guys. It is probably too early. Too many speculative people wanting to get rich quickly. You need to invest in the boring times. I close my short and then dump. I feel foolish. Well, Emre, don't worry. I mean, it's fine. It happens every time. Always. I try to protect my positions sometimes, and then the market goes where you think it is going to go. Jen, then they will probably liquidate shorts. You don't need to. Let's take a look at Matic. I got somebody asking for Matic. Let's take a look at Matic. Guys, well, talking about Vechain, you know, I've got some Vechain in my portfolio. I do believe mid-long term, there are some things that look a little bit fishy because they're saying that they're tracking the supply chain on cryptocurrency, you know, doesn't need crypto. But, you know, I want the cryptocurrency to have actual value. You know, the supply chain, Vechain, you need to use Vechain or Vthor for the supply chain, because then you're getting actual value from that cryptocurrency. And not just pay it with dollars, guys. The finance 2.0, which is decentralized finance, we need to get out the traditional finance because they're ripping us off, okay? They are stealing our money. All right, guys, let's take a look at Matic. I got somebody on the comment section that wants me to look at Matic US dollar. Matic had an insane recovery from the crash, and now it's just having the dead cat bounce scenario. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart. And yeah, it had a massive recovery. Dropped all the way to $1, came back up to $2.28. And this is the relief rally. Massive drop, relief rally, and then, you know, obviously when we have these huge amount of crashes with this huge amount of volume, there's not too much volume here on Matic. If we broke the all-time high, then yes, guys. Usually in the relief rally, it is time to short, okay? When we have a massive crash or a massive pump, you will always see, you know, the other side of the market trying to fight the selling pressure or the buying pressure. And it always, you know, usually with a Fibonacci, for example, we go to 60% of the Fibonacci retracement, or even 70, you know, usually 62%, which is the golden pocket. And retrace 62%, and then, you know, it loses steam, and then you have the dead cat bounce. It always happens, guys. It's happened now. It's happened for every crypto. Matic is a scaling solution for Ethereum that is actually working. So I'm extremely bullish on this project. We're just having a cool off, guys, now here. If this is just a consolidation phase, if it's just a pullback, then Matic will do extremely fine in the next coming months. If Bitcoin's going to continue, remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum rule the market. If Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum dumps, all of the rest of the market is going to dump. But Matic is an incredible project, definitely worth investing in Matic. It is a scaling working solution for the Ethereum blockchain. So definitely worth investing in Matic. If we're entering a bear market, guys, you know, we could drop as low as 20 cents for Matic, who knows? Very early still, guys. In the next coming days, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because we'll be doing technical analysis and trading opportunities. I've stopped right now because now the fundamentals is this, you know, China FUD, everything FUD. Are we in a bear market? Very difficult to trade. You could have traded this dead cat bounce, okay, and placing a short here with this pump. But it is very, you know, unpredictable. You know, it's very hard to trade around this moment. If we wait a couple of days, we'll be getting some great trading opportunities, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't checked out the bonus that's going on Fermit, guys, make sure to check it out, guys. All up to $2,000, $2,200 if you use my link in the description. And I'll be getting a small percentage in commission. Then you'll be helping out the channel, and you'll be getting an amazing bonus. Very careful with leverage trading platform. Don't use too much leverage because you can get wiped out from the market, guys. So the link is in the description if you want to take advantage of this bonus, guys. Okay. Let's take a look also at Tron. Okay, sorry, I had someone in the comment section looking at Tron. I am not a fan of Tron. Tron US dollar, TRX USD. Oh, we actually did some. Oh yes, I remember about doing some TA on Tron, just you know, looking at this. This was similar to XRP, a kind of symmetrical triangle, and we were looking for a breakout to the upside. This was drawn, guys, just when we were around a bit this area. This must have been on the 12th or the 10th of May. Not sure if you're an old subscriber, you probably remembered. And look how it has respected the triangle from the breakout. This was already drawn here, and we can see we have had the breakout from the symmetrical triangle. We've been bouncing here on the support of the symmetrical triangle, turning it into resistance. Massive drop. I even had this orange box, and look how we've dropped here on Tron, and then now we are getting rejected, guys. This support right over here, this resistance turning into support, has failed as support and is now turning into resistance. Very extremely bearish scenario here for TRX, the same as the entire crypto space, guys. I'm gutted. I'm so sorry, guys. My portfolio is down 30-40% also. Not you guys. I know you. We need a little bit of hopium. Let's just expect that there are the ETF from United States needs to be approved for Bitcoin. You know, the billionaires still waiting to get into the crypto space, so they may be just dropping the market now for this huge opportunity, and Bitcoin will go above $100,000 before the end of 2021. So look also where we've had this bounce here from this this resistance point. Dead cat bounce, very, very likely for TRX. If you put a gun on my head, you know, and you're going to say, what do you want, a long or do you want a short? I would be shorting now, guys. I would be shorting all the way down to this area, to the 60 cents here for TRX. Massive rejection on this, massive support in the past, resistance now. Just looking bearish, guys, and we need to be clear here. If you look at this double top scenario, we were in this ascending, this symmetrical triangle. Usually it would be to the upside, the breakout, because we are on a huge uptrend. Trend is your friend until the end. Apparently it is the end. So trend is not my friend, and we're turning over. And yeah, we broke from the symmetrical triangle, tested at resistance, broken down, back up again, retested this massive support, turned into resistance. We're coming down, guys. Maybe not, guys, but the technicals say this. Trading BTC, trading winners, BTC will be slopping down till June 14th. And then June 14th, we're going to have a turnover. That'll be amazing if we do, guys. Who knows? In the summer, it might be, everybody's expecting a DeFi summer. I've heard this a lot, you know, June, July, August is going to be the DeFi summer, you know, massive pumps for DeFi. I hope so. I've got some SNX, I've got some Chainlink. Not sure if you already started, but what's your opinion on XRP? Right, let's take a look at XRP because I got exterminated from a trade that I was talking about on one of my last videos. XRP, US dollar. Whoops. Yeah, guys, I had this symmetrical triangle, and I actually placed a long, and yeah, I got liquidated, guys. I got liquidated from this long, or stopped out. Sorry, I got stopped out. My liquidation was really far away, but I got stopped out here. I had my stop behind this this higher low. And I was waiting for a confirmation, because a confirmation from a breakout, obviously you want some more volume. There wasn't a huge amount of volume on XRP for this breakout. And we had the breakout, And you know, the ideal is look at the volume. If the volume's good, then great. If we have a bounce from the resistance point, turning it into support and breaking the high from the breakout, guys, then this is, you know, this is a trade with 70-80% of, you know, accuracy, you know. And the measured move from here is the back of the triangle, and from the breakout, you know, I was expecting a $2.50, $2.40 conservative. It could go all the way up to $2.60, but it was a clear fake out, guys. Patterns, you know, you want to break out, not the breakout of the pattern, the breakout of the breakout. Okay, so if we break out and then break out from the breakout, then you enter a trade. This is the best way I have gained on my trades. Yes, sometimes we break out and we do not have a pullback and we go straight up or straight down. But if you see here, for example, on XRP, you know, we already we connect this and this, we already have a resistance trend line, and we connect this one and this one, we already have a support trend line. You can see this one right over here was a fake out from this drop. So, you know, you will see this a lot of times. You will see this. Well, you don't trade this, you trade the bounce and then breaking the low here from this candle. This is the best way to gain some trade. But anyway, what do I think of XRP? Well, actually, guys, if we take this out of the way, and XRP, I know we've been having problems with the SEC, and I think they are going to win the court case. XRP is going to win the court case. And if this is a retracement and we are going to bounce to the upside for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now for XRP also, we might be actually doing a huge double bottom. Look how we came all the way down here to the 95 cents. They do not want the price of XRP to go below the $1, the 95 cents. So if this doesn't hold, it could get really messy. It could get really, really messy. Now there's two scenarios playing out here. Double top, no, I wouldn't say double top. Inverted Adam and Eve, which looks terrible. Okay, inverted Adam and Eve. We've got the Adam and we've got the Eve right over here. This is not going to look very, very nice. Double top Adam and Eve. Measured move, you know, is getting the top here. Let's go conservative in between this top and this top. Measured move from here to here. If we have a drop, guys, it could get super messy for XRP. We could go to 10 cents. No, guys, I don't think we will go that low. But that would be the measured move, technical move here on the logarithmic chart. You know, we could expect a double bottom scenario here. XRP might be winning the court case. And, you know, double bottom here would be absolutely insane. And if we see this as, you know, it is a possible scenario, all depending on what Bitcoin and Ethereum does, guys. Lord, you want people to die, Kane. Connor, trading winners, why the 14th? I just sold BTC at 37k, wrong call. Deborah, selling Bitcoin at $37,000. If we drop lower, it might be a great call, but yeah, this might be bottoming out, Deborah. So don't panic sell, hold your Bitcoin. If we drop to $25,000 Bitcoin, don't worry, the market will recover. If you need that money before the end of the year, then well, yes, it was probably a good idea to sell at 30. Don't invest money that you need in the short term. Bitcoin is a long-term play, mid-long term, because 5 years is not long-term. Bitcoin could be hitting $1 million in 5 years, believe it or not. So why can't you just buy some Bitcoin and hold it for 5 years, guys? 5 years is just around the corner. You could 20x your money. Don't look at the short-term volatility. It will drive you nuts. It will drive you nuts. I am a trader, so I take a look at the volatility, but my emotions are absolutely, you know, violated. This cycle was different indeed. Too many institutions, billionaires, and freaks like Elon. Yes, for sure. Exactly, Jen. Exactly. This time is different. The cycle is going to be longer, and we're going to go higher than $100,000. And apparently, the cycle is going to be shorter, and we're not going to go higher than $100,000. So guys, sometimes I was taking profits at $57,000, thinking, should I get some more? Should I turn more into USDT? Because if this Wyckoff distribution schematic plays out, I'll be, you know, kicking myself in the nuts. And yeah, it's, you know, I'm 40% down on my portfolio, guys, as well. I wish I would have got more profits, but I'm just going to hold it, guys. I do not need that money short term. I will wait for one more year for sure. Yes, Swaroop. Yes, exactly. Enjoy. Let me just read on the comment sections. Swaroop, not gonna sell anything now. Exactly, Swaroop. Just strong hodler. Bought BTC in 2015 and Doge in November 2020. Wow, if you bought Bitcoin in 2015, congratulations. You are in an amazing profit. I started in mid 2018 buying Bitcoin. So I bought from $10,000 all the way down to $5,000 and then back up to $11,000. And I stopped buying once we broke all-time high when we were about 25K, 26K. I stopped buying Bitcoin because I thought I already accumulated quite enough. And I just wanted to see how extended this rally was going to be. Took in some profits at 57K, 15% of my portfolio. Got my initial investment, took some profits. I should have got more, yes, maybe. Who knows, guys? We might be bouncing from here and we will see 100K. Who knows? Jayesh, Matic, please. Yes, we've been talking about Matic. Matic is an extremely great project, working scaling solution for Ethereum, and it's actually working. Just having a correction, having a dip like the rest of the market. You know, very unpredictable at the moment. But this project, in my opinion, will be going to $10 or more. Okay, when? I don't know when, guys, but this is a strong project and it's working, you know, for the Ethereum gas fees. Working scaling solution. Enjoying the calm music and your input, mate. Keep it up. Thank you, Peter, very much. I mean, I enjoy reading the comments, guys. You know, talking to the community. It is absolutely great, guys. I'm just sharing the charts, giving you my opinion. Yeah, I want to know your opinion as well, guys. 201 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. Also, if you are interested in trading, we've got an amazing bonus for Femex. The link is in the description, so make sure to check it out. I'll be getting a small commission. You'll be getting an insane bonus. Be careful with the leverage trading, guys. Don't be too greedy. The market, this volatile market is very, very dangerous, okay? I usually trade with 3, 4, 5x leverage, guys. You will see it in my videos if you are a new subscriber. I've been showing some of my trades. And, you know, my usual trade is 4x, 5x. You won't see me with a 20x trade. Maybe if I do a scalp. And I enter a trade quickly and I'm going to exit it in the next 30 minutes, 1 hour, I will use a 20x for a scalp. Whales playing games still. Yes, Jen, exactly. Whales are still playing games with us. Playing with our sentiments, playing with the poor's money. We all want to get rich quick with crypto, and they are taking the money off us. It is the game of, you know, of the life. Always institutions stealing your money. Be careful. I mean, it was clear that this had to happen sooner rather than later. Too much hype. We got these crappy dog coins coming out. Come on, guys. When I saw this Dogecoin, not Dogecoin, Shiba coin, Shiba pup, ass coin, cum rocket coin. Oh my god, guys, it is the end when we get all of these crappy coins out. CHR, what's CHR? CHR. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. CHR. Chromia. I haven't heard about this crypto. Doge will cross $1 by end of year. Yes, Swaroop, maybe Dogecoin will actually surpass $1. I mean, everybody's expecting that, and there's a huge Dogecoin community. Who knows? Yes, who knows? You know, you just need a couple of more TikToks. You know, just wind up Elon Musk saying Dogecoin is the coin, is the cryptocurrency. It will reach $1 someday, one day. Or depending if there's going to be a huge bear market now. Doge is highly inflationary, so who knows? It might not reach the dollar, but I do think it will. Huge community. What about XRP? Yes, we saw XRP. XRP is looking like it might do a double bottom. Okay. XRP US dollar might be doing a double bottom scenario right over here, or depending if we are going to have a nice bounce. You know, if we have a bounce here, we'll be checking out XRP because there might be some levels here to watch, and it can be a very, very juicy trade here if we do something like this and break the resistance here from this double bottom. Or depending, guys, if we break the support, it will be getting messy. It will be getting messy here for XRP. This massive support at 95 cents for XRP. We'll be checking out XRP, guys. I'll be getting some videos out on XRP in the next coming days, doing some TA. Number 69, Dustin, China on crack. Yes, exactly. China FUD all the time. The same story. Boo, you scared, bro? I'm not scared. No worries, guys. I'm not scared. I'm holding crypto like crazy. I've got Chainlink. I've got Bitcoin, Ethereum. Guys, I've been here since 2018. I wasn't in the 2017 bull market, but I know it, guys. You know, I know these severe drops are coming. XRP, Bake, EOS. What do you expect on EOS? Let's take a look at EOS, Emirates, EOS US dollar. Wow, look at EOS. We are in this huge channel. We actually met the target, I think, here from this breakout of the channel. This is the logarithmic, yeah. Breakout from a channel, now breakout from this channel to the downside. Could have a massive drop. Massive drop here for EOS. It's strange because some cryptocurrencies haven't even broken their last all-time high from 2017. So who knows? ADA very strong and bright future, no doubt. Yes, Jen, maybe ADA will do well. Still got some, you know, it is still a promise. What, you got smart contracts coming out in July. That's why a lot of things happening in June and July for some mainly DeFi projects. So, hey man, what's your opinion? Should you hold on or just cut the loss and accept defeat to then restart a better state? No, I wouldn't be selling. I'm not selling my HODL portfolio. No, guys. Not even if you think that Bitcoin's going to go to 25,000 and you're going to get cheaper Bitcoin there. Because the market might turn over and, you know, the sooner you know, and maybe in a couple of months, we're already at 65K back again. And you'll be FOMOing in if you sell your crypto at these levels. So I would just stay on standby, guys. Stand by. I'm not selling. So you do whatever you want, but who knows? How about Celery, guys? I'm going to be leaving because I've got a meeting that I need to go to, and I will be doing more live streams. I hope I will be doing a live stream of 3 hours, so then I can go through all the comment and we'll be checking out every single crypto from all of you guys. I really do want to go through all of them right now, but I've got a meeting and I need to rush off. So guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out this insane bonus. You'll be helping out the channel and you'll be getting a great bonus, okay? Up to $2,200 by using my link for FEMEX. Don't use too much leverage. Stay safe, guys. If you haven't checked out also the Bitcoin Censored website, we've got the latest news and articles, guys, okay? Absolutely free information over here. And also we've got exchange reviews where you can see where the best bonuses are and where the best fees are, okay? Here on the Bitcoin Censored website, the link is in the description, okay? The exchanges review. Also price predictions, you know, if you go to home, we've got the latest technical analysis and the latest articles, guys. Make sure to check it out. This is huge, valuable information and it's totally free. The link is in the description. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. I wish I could stay longer. Make sure to smash up the like button, support the channel, guys. I'll be doing one live stream, at least one live stream every single week, and I hope the next live stream can be over 2 hours. Let's make it 3 hours, and I'm going to read all this. I'm going to go through all the comments, guys. I need to rush right now. I wish I could do more technical analysis on your on your favorite cryptos. So anyway, thank you guys for joining in. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.